everybody, it's Alyssa. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am doing another witchcraft unboxing. Can you see this huge box? I am literally so excited. I have no idea what is inside of here. It is like a little mystery box. So I do have to apologize for the lighting. It is pretty bright in here, but the sun's coming straight through the window, so you're gonna see all these like weird lines and stuff. And I excuse the way I look. I just got back from working out, so I'm like a little sweaty. So, but I wanted to get this video done because I literally can't wait to open this package. So I had one of my subscribers message me on Etsy, and they wanted to send me a deluxe witches self-care box because they have an Etsy shop. So their Etsy store is called Alcheming, so I'll put that on the screen in case you guys are interested in checking out their shop, and I'll put a link for their Etsy down below. The owner's not paying me to like review any of these items. They literally just said they wanted to send me some stuff and asked if I would open it on my channel, and of course I would love to. Let's open it. They filled this thing full of stuff and I have no idea what is in here. The owner did say that they were very into self-care items, and I'm into self-care items. All right, so everything's packaged super well in a bunch of bubble wrap. I think I opened the box upside down, so everything is like upside down in here. Hopefully there's not a note. If there is, I'm probably going to be reading it last because I opened it upside down. But first we have this very beautiful hand-painted little wooden chest. So the owner actually sent me in the message like a bunch of little color schemes, as you can see, and asked me to choose one. So I chose Dragon Soul here because I really like that color scheme. So here we have, this is literally beautiful. I love all of these colors, definitely hand painted. And then let's open it up. Oh, and there's tons of stuff shoved in here. So let us see what it is. Oh wow, so first we have whatever is in this little packaging here. Looks like a beautiful spoon. So we have this stunning spoon, literally the prettiest spoon I've ever seen in my life. I'm sorry if you can hear my dog chewing in the background. She always decides to eat when I'm filming. So yeah, that's a beautiful spoon. I don't even want to use this, it's so pretty, but it could definitely be used to mix herbs and stuff like that. Next we have a package of 2 red candles. I'm not going to take it out just because you guys know what candles look like, but we could always use little candles. Next we have another package right here, and I believe this is a like little tea strainer that you put in tea, and at the end of it we have a beautiful crystal. Love that. I actually have never owned one of these things. I do have like a cat one, but I don't drink tea very often. I'd like to try to find some tea that I like. I'm just not a big like tea person. So if you guys have any recommendations for like tea that tastes really sweet, then definitely let me know because that's what I prefer. Then we have some chamomile bath salts, which anything bath related I am obsessed with because I take baths like multiple times a week because that's like the ultimate self-care for me. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. It smells amazing. It smells like a Macy's. And this is all just in one little thing, like. And then we have a notebook. So it says Sage a Later Hater, and it has a bundle of sage, and it's just a big notebook. This will come in handy for sure, especially when I'm writing down little notes for stuff. That is so cute. So that's everything that came in this little chest, and that's a lot of stuff. Thank you so much already, and there's already so much more in this package. Oh my gosh, okay. All right, next we have something wrapped in bubble wrap here, and it's tied all together really nicely with like a little pentacle. Oh no, it's broken. Okay, so we do have a candle, but it broke in shipping. So there's glass all in here. Oh no. So yeah, it is a black candle and it broke, and it's supposed to be a protection candle, which is kind of scary to use now that it is broken, but I will figure out a way to use it. I will probably put it on like a candle plate, so if anything melts, it'll just melt onto the plate. So yeah, it says protection. It has a little pentacle on it. Let's see what it smells like. It smells like chocolate. Yummy. So yeah, it did break in packaging, and it was actually wrapped very well, but this box came extremely damaged. Like even the postal worker was like, this thing is beat up. Like I don't know if you guys can see it, but it was like all dented in and stuff. So even though the like person that made this box packaged everything really well, the shipping people did not take good care of it. So all right, and next we have another thing wrapped in bunches of bubble wrap. I hope this one's not broken as well. Pretty. We have a beautiful mug with like palmistry type stuff on it. That is really pretty, and like some of my favorite colors too, like the galaxy look in the background. I will always love mugs. Like seriously, I love mugs more than like anything else. Then we have a bunch of really pretty stickers. I will always love stickers because I do journal. So they gave me 2 sheets of these beautiful stickers with their shop name on it, Alcheming. I love these stickers. I will definitely be using these. And then I think lastly, we have what is ever inside of this box. So once again, it has their shop name on it, Alcheming. It's a big box. It's very beautiful. Oh, it has my name on it. So yeah, up here, it says Alcheming, just the shop name. And then it says Alyssa Nicole on the top here. Oh wow, and it's packaged so beautifully. Look at this. The wax stamp and everything. So let's open this. Look at the card. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. So let me tell you a little bit about the owner. It says, I'm a solitary practitioner of Wiccan and pagan witchcraft since 1991. I started my store Alcheming just this year on Etsy. It really brings me joy to pour my creative energy into these individual boxes. No two of my kits are alike. Just about everything in this kit is handmade by me. I feel like giving each customer a unique and personal experience, and it's important and brings more value to my boxes than the usual bundles of tools you can get on Amazon or some other stores on Etsy. I hope you enjoy it as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. And then there's an itemized list of everything here, which I think is actually really great. All right, so we have some more stuff in here. I'm so sorry about the lighting. Like, you can see where like the window thing is. Everything is packaged so beautifully. So we have some little bags. Oh my gosh, it's a necklace. That is so pretty. It's a handmade resin and alcohol ink cabochon wrapped in copper wire with leather cord and a silver clasp. That is so pretty. It has like flowers inside of it. I love how that's handmade. That is beautiful. All right, and then the other baggie here, we have a crystal. And I know this one because rose quartz is one of my favorite crystals. I have so much rose quartz. Look how pretty it looks in the sun. Then we have this little box that's packaged so pretty. Oh, it smells so good. This is 1 bar of handmade spearmint and rosemary bath soap. I love mint and I also love the smell of rosemary. It smells so good. I love handmade soaps. Like, they're my absolute favorite because they make your body smell so much better than those soaps that you can buy at like Walmart. So I'm super excited for that. I'm gonna be using all of this bath stuff like right after I finish filming this video. Then we have 3 of these. I have no idea what this is. Magical Herbs Kava Kava Apothecary Jars, 50 milliliters. So this must be a jar of that. And then we also have a jar of lotus root and a jar of, I don't even know how to say that. I'm not going to try to pronounce it because I don't want to offend anyone. So don't know how to say that, but let's open one of these jars and see what they look like. I really love how the owner of this shop like packages everything. But yeah, it's just like a little jar. And I actually don't have any of these herbs too, which is really cool. It's like not herbs that you normally see in like the typical Etsy shop boxes. So I really like how unique this is. Okay, I think that is everything. They sent me way more stuff than I even knew that they were going to be sending me. So thank you so much, Adele, which is the owner of Alcheming, for hand making and sending me all of these absolutely amazing witchcraft items. Like, I can't believe these are handmade. Like, they're absolutely stunning and you are so talented. So if you guys are interested in supporting a small shop of someone who makes actual handmade beautiful things, check out the Etsy shop down below if you guys are interested. These are absolutely beautiful and I just love how everything was customized for like me, and I just find that like really beautiful. Unfortunately, the candle was broken, but like I said, I can use a little candle plate underneath it, so it's not really that big of a deal, but it smells amazing and I love just how everything is personalized. So amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see any more videos like this, then definitely let me know. Make sure to check out my other channels down below and also all of my social medias down below. But I love you guys so much and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.